question with this person. Can I get your opinions, please, James, on using Q-tips and also ear candles, please? Thanks.
Okay, so Q-tips and cotton buds are a big no-no in the world of ears, because our ear canal is it can hold about 5 to 10 mil. Is that right? I think it's about 5 to 10 mil.
Oh, you're amazing.
And it's when you're using a Q-tip or cotton bud, you're basically just forcing wax towards the eardrum. So it can be a bit of a bluff with us. So I can say to people, you know, often happens, have you used any Q-tips or cotton buds? And they say, oh, no, I haven't done that. And then I often just pull out a piece of cotton bud. So it's a real no-no, but simply because they can push wax onto the eardrum, and that can cause more problems, or even perforate the eardrum with the cotton bud if they are quite reckless, which does happen. Also, a lot of people often say that they use cotton buds because their ear canals are itchy. Now, they're itchy normally because people stimulate the canal with the cotton bud, and as they start to repair and get back to where they were, they start to itch. Like, you know, if you scratch your arm, you know, it itches again a little while later. And so cotton buds and anything like that are just a big no.